In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Klaviyo. This is a handy skill to have up your sleeve when designing your email campaigns. And today, I'll guide you through the process to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's begin on the Klaviyo homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can easily access all your lists, campaigns, and analytics. Your journey starts here. Look to the left part of your screen, and you'll notice an option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. Now that you have entered the campaign area, you should see a list of all your active and archived campaigns. Browse through them and select the campaign you wish to edit. This is the campaign where you want to crop the image. Once you've chosen your campaign, you'll need to click on the three dots icon. This is typically placed to the right of the campaign name. From the options that appear, click on Edit Campaign. This will direct you to the campaign editor, where you can make changes not just to images, but to all sorts of content within your email. Now, at the top part of this page, you'll notice an Edit button. Click it to enter the content editor. Here, you can directly upload a new image or select one you had already added to your campaign. For our purposes today, identify the image you intend to crop and either upload it or click on it if it's already there. With the image selected, look for the option to crop. You should see a crop button or icon here. After clicking it, a cropping tool will appear. This tool lets you manually adjust the cropping area, giving you control over which parts of the image should be visible in your final design. You'll also notice some preset options below that can give you a quick crop solution if you're in a hurry or unsure of how to frame the image yourself. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, make sure to save your work. You'll find the Save button typically at the bottom of the screen or perhaps in a prominent location on the toolbar. Clicking this ensures that your cropped image is now the one that will be displayed in your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image in Klaviyo. Remember that this skill can help enhance your emails by focusing on the most compelling parts of your visuals. So, feel free to experiment and use these tools to create eye-catching email campaigns. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.